Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily add Soundboard on Discord mobile. So follow up with me and let's start. We cannot do this from the Discord app itself. We need to go to the web version of Discord. So go to your browser and go to discord.com. The issue here is that when you try to log in from the web browser now, it will always take you back to the app of Discord. And as I said, you cannot do this. You cannot add the Soundboard from the Discord app now. The trick here is to sometimes turn on the desktop mode or desktop site. I've seen them do it in some videos, but as you can see, apparently that also doesn't work. Now it always redirects you to the app if you're on desktop site. So the trick actually here is to go to your bar in the top and write discord.com, but we're gonna add something to it. After the slash, go ahead and type login. So discord.com login. If you have logged in before, it's gonna continue directly. If you haven't, you're gonna be asked to log in. Anyways, once you log in, you can turn off the desktop site or not. It doesn't really matter from here. It's just gonna be easier if you turn it off. Anyways, once you make it to Discord in the web version, just like that, we need to go back and tap on the three lines in the top left corner, and then from here, let's go ahead and tap on the server's name in the top. You're gonna get a little menu. From the menu, tap on server settings, which should be the second option right there. So let's go ahead and tap on server settings. Within server settings, you find Soundboard. Go ahead and tap on it. And here basically you're halfway there. Just tap on upload sound and then tap on choose a file. It's gonna take you to your device. Within your device, just go ahead and choose the sound or the sound file, or the MP3 file that you want to add as a soundboard or in Soundboard. I'm gonna choose this Rizbot sound, and then of course you're gonna give it a name. I'm gonna add an emoji, or just gonna add laugh, and then the emoji or related emoji, you're gonna add the laughing emoji. Just like that. I can even tweak the volume if I want the volume to be played low, high, medium, it doesn't really matter. If I cancel or change my mind, I can tap on never mind. If I want to continue, just tap on upload, and that's how can you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, see you in future videos, and thank you so much for watching.